in Cebu, we're with my parents, and this is what we're getting up to today.
Right guys, so we're actually in Cebu today on the way to one of Cebu's kind of highest waterfalls, one of them. We're with Amanda, Lee and my good friend Matthew from Manchester, so let's go meet the gang. Look. Guys, you know us, thank you for coming over to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe button and watch some more of our videos all around the Philippines.
And the like button.
Right now guys, let's go and head to the waterfall. Let's go!
Everything will probably go.
Right guys, so we've just got to the waterfall. The waterfall is called Mantayupan waterfall. And at the moment we're currently on this swinging bridge. Amanda, I'm very sorry for doing this. Amanda told us she doesn't like swinging stuff or moving stuff because it makes her sick, bless her. You right back there? But yeah, so this is the little mini baby waterfall down here. This is hard work getting up here. Oh. You alright? I think I might be sick. Let's go and see the big one. Guys, I just got to the big one. Look, there's Matt. He doesn't want to be on the vlog, but there he is. Hey. But this waterfall is like 94 meters tall. It's absolutely massive. I'm telling you. Let's have a look. Time for a swim now, guys. You guys joining? Coming? They're coming, they're coming. Me and Matt are already in it. Let's go for a little swim.
A balanced plan and some pretend.
Water just went in my mouth.
What?
Yep. Lovely and warm.
There's a cliff jump.
Get me through all the layers of you.
So these guys are just about to do a cliff jump. Look how big it is up there, look. Right guys, so now we just finished at the big main waterfall. Alice and her family are just down there, look. We finished at the big one and we've come back across the bridge to the nice little one. The nice little one that you see behind me, just down there. So yeah, let's have a little look around and see what we got here. So far so good.
Go on, Dad. After 2 days of driving, you go 45.
Right guys, so we've just got to White Beach here in Moalboal. So if you just park your bike over there, it's 10 pesos entry. Everyone else has gone ahead. We just stopped at a nice little restaurant to have lunch over there, but this is how you get to the beach. So from when you park your bike back there, you go straight and then you turn left down here. And then once you turn left, it looks like you're going into someone's house, but you're not. There's a little cut through to the beach, so here's a little cut through. Hey, and now you're on the beach, guys. So if you come out that little house bit down there and turn left, there's that little local, hello doggy. Hello doggy. Yeah, so guys, if you come out that little house there, turn left, there's some cottages to rent for 1,000 pesos. Bring your friends, bring your family, have a good time like these people are right now. Yeah, and there's a few little shops, you can buy some water and some snacks, but if you turn right, the better beach is if you turn right. So that's where I'm walking now, so let's go and show you the beach and show you where Alice and her family's at is. So let's go. Also guys, if you come out this end of the beach is much better, it's less corally. Like if you go up that end, like you see this clip here, like I was walking on big coral, it hurt my feet, not very nice to sunbathe. It's busier up there as well, but if you come right to the end here, you know, there's only about 20 people up here right now, and it's very nice. So we're thinking now it's time to end the vlog, so we just want to say a big thank you to everyone coming over watching the vlog. We're going to give our verdicts on the day. First of all, the waterfall. So what do you give the waterfall out of 10, Alice?
9.
Oh, not bad, not bad. I'm going to give it an 8, so 8.5 overall for the waterfalls that we've seen in the Philippines. Amanda and Lee and Matt, they all give it roughly, what was it, a 7? But they haven't seen many waterfalls. Have you, Matt? Haven't seen many waterfalls. Yeah, so they give it a 7, so they obviously it's still ranking high. Now, White Beach, so
we all gave it a 6.
We all gave it about a 6. A few reasons was, 1, it's busy.
2, it's not as white as
2, it's not as really white. It's kind of
corally.
Not corally, and it's not really fine sand. And also 3, if you're here on a hot day and you don't have anywhere to shade, over there, I don't know if you can see the sign, I'll put it in now. It says that it charges 150 pesos if you would like some shade. So
crazy money.
It's crazy. It's like, what's that, 60, 120, 180, almost £3 for a bit of shade. So yeah, so that's all we got to say, guys. So thank you very much for coming over. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button
and the like button,
the ding on the bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in a jiffy.
Bye.
Bye.